Hello guys, welcome back. Today is 95th day of our 100 days of challenge of Adobe, and today we are going to make this. So let's get started. So here we are in After Effects. As you can see our composition. Firstly, before starting I want to tell you all of these particles, the shield is not made by me. It is made by the YouTuber known as MJ, his YouTube channel. I will give the link in description. All the shields, you can also get this tutorial, same tutorial of him on YouTube. I will put his videos link in description. You can go on that video and download all these assets. They are free to download. I have just done some changes in that video to make it look more correct, not correct, more good by my point of view. So I'm done all the effects, just showing how to do it. If you want to know how to make the shields, just go to his video, watch it, and if you want to download it, you can download it from there. So what I have done first, I have dragged my footage in here and just color corrected it, just added some curves, just decreased some blue in shadows and increase it in shadow, and just increased some red in highlight and decreased red in shadows, like this. A S curve, small S curve in all of them, just not for green. So not much things, just the footage is done. Then what I have done, I'm going to show only this one, this front shield have done it. So let's get started for that one. So what I have done, the video is provided by him. He's such nice videos, nice asset. The video is provided by him. I just dragged that footage, the shield normal, and just pre-composed it directly without adding it. So what I have done, pre-composed it, duplicate the layer 4 times, and just added mask to them, like this. You can see a mask here, only the outside area of the ring I isolated it. Here the inner ring isolated it, then the mid ring, and last the center. I have isolated all of the layers by adding mask. Make all of them 3D and just adjust their position on Z axis to get a little bit 3D view. In his video you can't see it is 3D, it is just one single layer. So to make a little bit pop up on it, I made it 3D like this. So let's just delete it. And then what I have done, I have selected my footage, go to track motion, and I have tracked my hand. You can see here is the back hand tracker and here is the front hand tracker. I have tracked my footage, the hand here. I have tracked my hand and create a null object and edited the target from here and applied the track on the null object 1, and I have parented the main shield. I have parented this shield to the null object 1. So now my shield is following the null object, the position, like this. And for startup, what I have done, when my hand come up, what I have done, I have added keyframes. I have again make the composition 3D and just click on the little icon here, collapse transformation, to get the composition 3D as it is in original composition. So I added keyframe on position, scale, orientation, X, Y rotation, Z rotation, and opacity, and added keyframe here. And when the hand is at down, I have just rotate it on Z axis to get a nice rotation, -300, and make the opacity to 0 like this. So you have a nice fade in turn effect, and just to get we have that 3D effect, that's why I have rotated it according to my hand like this to get a little bit 3D effect. Same. And for here, when the hand is rotating, when the hand is moving from one position to another position, like from here to here, hand is moving in the direction, so at this point I have rotated it on y-axis to get a little bit 3D look, like it is rotating according to my view like this. So then I have added duplicated the shield composition, apply Gaussian blur on it, you can see Gaussian blur, and just scaled it little bit more bigger to get a nice fade out ring here, and dragged it little bit forward to get a 3D effect. Then I have added the toward particle layer which he have provided, and just adjusted it according, adjusted the clip according to our position. Same for the stay. Then the another one asset, all of these assets are free, just added the assets as you wish. Same, added the assets on every position. The names are given, like this one is the movement, so you can see this one, it seems like it is moving, the particles are moving, these are the particles clips, so you can just adjust it according to your footage. So I have done that like this, all of the particles are adjusted. Same for the back shield, this one, same for the back shield. You can see here it will just take some more time. Let's just off these two. Yeah, you can see. Same for the back shield also, the off shield it is also given, you can see the shield off, a little bit glitch, same particles are also given for it. And I have just did one thing, as you can see my hand is little bit back and the shield is little bit greater. So for that what I have done, as you can see the shield is coming in front of my face and it's little bit awkward because my hand is behind my face. So I have just roto the face, you can see I have just roto my face for some frames till the shield is inside. The shield is inside. Then just roto all the layers and added a little bit glow on this layer. And at last added a vignette effect, just a little bit, by black solid and adding mask on it and increasing its feathers. So guys, that's it for today. Not a big tutorial, just using the assets. So don't forget to like the video. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe the channel. So let's meet tomorrow again. Till then, stay safe, take care and keep watching the channel.